F. Best in the world. Want to call me? Shrek 2. I mean, it's alright. It was pretty good, yeah. Why am I making the same smile from Shrek 1? Yep. Okay. Next up, Shrek the Third. Now this one, sucked. I'm not saying it sucked, it wasn't that good to me. This movie was awesome. I love Shrek Forever After. Well, actually, I'll put it in A. But still, it's so good. It's a pretty good movie. I love it. Shrek the Musical. In front of... Behind this. It's such a stupid... It's so stupid. Shrek 5, it's not out yet. I can tell by the trailer. I know fans are messed up about me looking weird, but this movie looks so good after all. Behind Forever After. AI Shrek. F. Puss in Boots. Let's put that one in B. Let's put that one in B. But above Shrek 2. Coraline Shrek. Screaming Shrek. Puss in Boots, The Last Wish? Ooh. See, nope, I'm not putting that. That deserves an S. S behind Shrek 1. Shrek 1 is the best in Dancing Shrek. Get back. All the glitter is gone.